Hey, today we're showing you how to replace the sunshade. So you can see this is suede. I get this too as well, but I gotta remove it. I'm gonna show you how to replace this. You know, take out the glass, all that stuff. So yeah. Okay, first you want to remove. You gotta remove the. You gotta remove this. Whatever. You gotta move the top thing to get access to the bottom piece. And then first, what you want to do is, I got this, so this button pulls down, opens up, and then you want to get access to this cup here. So put it in and just pull it out. And now that you pull it out, there's these 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3 on both sides. You want to move it, and then this should just able to come out. Keep in mind where these screws are, so you know exactly where to put it back, and the lines back with the, so no leaks and good, what, you know, whatever. This side as well. I moved mine yesterday, so it was kind of easy to come out, but here we have it. 3 screws and then it pops out. Okay, and this is a T25 right here, so the T25. The T30 might work, but it's gonna go and remove this. Let's move this, and then this, and then this. So you get all the screws out now. I'm gonna lift this up so you can come up. And always use the measurement of the hole. I'm gonna put the screws back in exactly how we got it into the lines back, so you can push this up and put it somewhere safe. Okay, we got this out. See, this slides back and forth. Right here, slides back and forth. And you get access to these 4 Phillips screws, and it should be able to pop up. Grab this one, get this one right now. It's 4 Phillips. And you don't want to strip anything, so make sure you get a good grip on it. So we got everything out. It was just 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And now this is able to just slide out. Put it forward a bit, and this is able to just come out easily. Yep, just slides out just like this. And now we have access to our sunshade. I tried to give it a paint, but it didn't work. It wraps up, but I'm gonna remove the old fabric, and I might just keep the fabric and just try to put the stuff over it. Okay, so we got it inside. Inside place, this is how it looks. I'm thinking of if I should like take this fabric I have, it's like a stick, this way, and just put it directly over it. If apply pressure, it's kind of rough, and it should just be able to stay, you know, instead of having to remove. This comes like a foam backing as well, so this should give it extra comfort and whatnot. But we're just removing this piece right here. I'm also gonna spray this down a bit. Yeah. So see what I should do. If I remove the fabric, it's gonna be all over here. Okay, with this, I'm just using the stick on fabric. I'm gonna apply it. Couldn't record, so what I'm doing is laying it out and sticking on so I can record it, but it's just that simple. So this is the end product. So I moved the trim, painted this. It's pretty good. This is the back. It could be better, but should stick. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the final product. See, it looks good. Like the suede Alcantara feel. This was a different material from that. However, also did the visor as well. But yeah, this one looks pretty cool. The black matches everything. So it looks from the top. Pulls as well. And then it closes. Yeah. So hey guys, this is the final product. It came out great. This process was kind of inexpensive. I bought the fabric of Amazon, the link in the description, and it definitely makes the car look, you know, warm and chill, you know, a nice suede look. It could have been better, but you know, it is what it is, but definitely improves the quality of your car. So all the links will be in the description. So like the video, please like and subscribe.